Hi everyone, welcome back. Well guys, I feel like all I'm getting done these days is product reviews, but when they send them to you, that's all you can do is do product reviews. So guess what? Today I have another Let's Resin product that I would like to introduce to you. And some of you may already have the original of this product, but when I first got the original of this product, I bought and paid for mine. So they sent me out the new UV Light Advanced, and I've already opened it. I've uh, taken the time to remove plastic from everything so that it wouldn't take so long. And so basically, it looks exactly like the old one. It's got the plate. I took the plastic off. Those things are hard to take off. I took the plastic off. I took the plastic off of this, except for this one is purple. And the UV lights are different. Let me get my old one and I will show you the difference. This is what the old one looked like. This is what the new one looks like. So they are different lights completely. So that's the old one. Other than that, same 2, 3, 5 minute, same button, same plug-in, the USB-C, and it does have the plug-in. So same on both sides. It is magnetic still. So you make sure that these are lined up on both sides and they magnetic together, just like that. And then this is your cord, and then that's all that comes in the box. You put this aside. Now, the difference between the old cord, let me grab it. What did I do with it? Oh, yeah, that's right. I wrapped it up. It's over here. The difference between the old cord, this is the old cord. It was a bigger box and only had the one plug-in. The new cord, smaller AC adapter box, and it has 2 cords, but it's all attached into one. So same cord, just that it has 2 USBs on one cord. So yeah, so let me plug this in so we can test out how these 2 cords will work. So if you take it apart, say you need to wrap this around a giant project, so you plug in this one and you plug in this one, assuming that's how that works, because it's plugged into both. And voila, they both work. So that's how you utilize the new light. And you'll notice that the new lights are purple. And so that's how you would utilize it with the 2 cords. Now, I don't think you can put it together because you wouldn't need this plugged in if you needed to use it like this, because both sides still work. This additional cord would only be needed if you were doing like a big project that you needed that was bigger than this. So I do remember someone saying, it's been a long time ago when the first one came out, that they needed to take this apart and they tried to use their own USB-C cord to try to make this work, and it didn't work. And so they suggested that Let's Resin make a cord that would make both of these work. And so that's what they did. They made one that the cord will make both pieces work when they're apart. So that's an awesome feature for all of you that need to use this for bigger pieces. I could have used this the other night on my horse when I was trying to cure around the edges. So there you go. So that's a good feature to have. So I'm glad they decided to do that. So that, in a nutshell, is the logistics on that. Wattage wise, when it's together, the power is 24 watts together. Each individual side is 16 watts per side. The dimensions is 25.5 by 11.5. Let's see. What else? Really, it's basically the same as the other, except for the cord is different, the lights are different. The voltage is 12 volts. Power is 24 watts. Definitely avoid looking directly at the LED beads to prevent eye damage. Avoid dropping or impacting the UV lamp to prevent damage. They suggest that you unplug the power cord when not in use. And do not use this product near flammable or explosive items. And they do have a product after sale service, 30-day money back guarantee within the first 30 days. Yeah, that's basically it. So basically the only things that have changed is the lights and the cord. Everything else is the same, and the color. So the color is purple. And I think they have another color too, besides the blue one. I can't remember what color it is. I think I remember seeing it on the website, but I don't remember what color it was. Might be like a mint green or something like that. So there we go. That's what it's all about. So today I thought we would make something very quick because I'm going to set this back up on my little UV lamp brown box. We're going to plug it in. Actually, I could probably just leave it sit here since we're just going to use it right away. We'll just set it right there so you guys can see. So I thought, since I have not used this mold, I thought maybe we would make a key and a lock just for giggles. And it looks like this key matches the locks the closest. So I think I'm going to make the heart and then this key. I did get out I only have the first set of Let's Resin colored UV resins. So we're just going to use what I have. and I'm out of the black, and I'm out of the white. All I have left is the red, green, pink, peach, purple, yellow, caramel, lake green, blue, and pink purple. So I think we're just going to go ahead and just make something fun, just for the fun of it. So I think I'm going to, I don't have very much purple left. I'm just going to make some like rainbow colors maybe, just because it'll be fun. Okay. That is hot. We'll let that cool off while I get the key started here. Let's see. Let's start here. Okay. I went to go look for some stickers. But I couldn't find any. Come on. How cute is that? And so then I'm going to give these to Haley. To Riley. That's why it kind of bowed it a little tiny bit in the center. But we're going to get my black marker and we're going to color in those spots to make them stand out. If I can do it without messing them up. Well, aren't those just adorbs? All right, you guys. So take on the Let's Resin UV machine or UV. I can't even think. The UV resin curing machine. And it is the UV Light Advanced. And I love the new feature of the 2 plugins on 1 cord. It's a great feature. And I do like the new lights. They're not as bright, but seems to cure exactly the same as the other light did. So I like the new features and I love the new color. It's purple. So, all right, guys. Well, that is my review on the new light, or the UV. Forget it. I can't say it. It just isn't allowing me to say it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll move on to the next video. Hit that like button if you thought it was a good tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd like for you to. And I'll leave you with the new UV Light Advanced. Yes, I said it. And we'll move on to the next video. Thanks, y'all. See you on the next video. Bye.